Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve the following simultaneous equation. This will be my equation 1. And this will be my equation 2. The first thing I see is that my coefficients of the x or the y are different. Yeah, so then I also see that my equation 2, the way it's being positioned, 2y equals to 5x plus 16. So this is what Mr. Tan going to do. Well, there are two methods that you can use to solve simultaneous equations. Either the elimination or the substitution. For this particular question, Mr. Tan would use the substitution method. So I'm going to divide by 2 throughout for my equation 2. So I'll have y equals to 5x plus 16, the whole thing divided by 2. And this will become my equation 3. Okay, this whole equation. So that I'm going to substitute into equation 1. Substitute equation 3 into equation 1. And how does it look like? So my equation 1 would have 3x plus 5y equals to 9, right? But now what is my y? My y is 5x plus 16 over 2 in equation 3. So I'm going to rewrite my y as 5x plus 16 divided by 2. And let's solve it. Step 1, I see there's a denominator 2, so Mr. Tan going to multiply by 2 throughout the equation. Yes, you can do that such that the 2 can be divided off, and I'm left with 3 times 2, 6 times x will be 6x. So this one, do take note there is still 5 times 5x plus 16. And I will have 5 times my 5x plus 16. 9 times 2, 18. And now we just need to solve this particular equation, right? So 6x will be equals to positive 25x. 5 times 16 will be equals to 80. And let's continue to solve it. 6x plus 25, this will give me 31x equals to 18. Yep, I'm going to minus 80 on both sides. That's why you have a minus 80 here. So that this one will be equals to 0. Yep. So that's what's going to happen. That's what is happening. And therefore, I will have my 31x equal to, this one will give me a value of negative 62. And finally, x will be equals to negative 62 divided by 31. X will be equals to negative 2. And now that I know x is equals to negative 2, I am going to substitute back into equation 3. Okay, so that's what is going to happen here. That for my equation 3 going to substitute this x equals to -2 that I've gotten back to equation 3. Equation 3 is y equals to 5x plus 16 divided by 2, right? So this x, I'm no longer going to write as x, I'm going to write it as -2. So from here, my y will be equals to 3. Last but not least, to do a quick check, substitute back into equation 2 or equation 1. So equation 2 states that 2y equals to 5x plus 16. So let me check what is my 2y. My 2y is 2 times 3. Y is 3 that we have gotten. 2 times 3. This one will be equals to 6. 5x plus 16 is 5. What is my x? X is -2 plus 16. And what does this give me? 6 as well. And therefore, I have successfully make sure that my answers are correct. With that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.